Hey, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back. Another video of Daryl, and want to share. This is my channel. Make sure you subscribe, like my videos. Trying to build my channel, so that's what's up. And also, you can visit my blog, Pure Internet Profits. Make sure you follow that page. Subscribe for updates and newsletter on a lot of home business based opportunities. Okay, so on this video I wanted to talk about a real lead magnet system you can use that promotes your business and also lets you make money off of it. So and it's just for as little as $7 you can get an automated lead capture business with a pre-made capture page, professionally done, and a series of autoresponders in order to promote the capture page, and secondary also a business you can add into the back office so that the system can promote that too for you. So it is a two-in-one system, and it's very popular. A lot of people know it already, and it's called Lead Lightning. So I will show you the back office, get a bit through with, try to learn how to set it up, and you just if you like it, then you just join it. Okay, so this is the back office. I'll show you in a minute what the capture page looks like, but let's log in. Okay, yeah, Lead Lightning. Lead Lightning has been around for a couple of years now. It is a subsystem of Power Lead. You know the Power Lead system, the PLS. This is just the lead capturing system of Power Lead. For just $7 you can get this cool system, and it also lets you export the leads if you are um, if you are using a third party autoresponder or your own newsletter system like eWeber, Constant Contact, Get Response. And you can also upgrade your package. I do have the beginner package, and I left it like that because I already have other auto responding systems. So yeah, I basically use it for capturing leads and promoting a business if I'm a bit lazy to create a capture page, which I don't, because in future videos I will show you how to build a capture page with the system I'm using. Okay, so when you sign up for Lead Lightning, this is your back office, and this is the upgrade button. Then you will get redirected to the PLS Power Lead system, and by far Power Lead system is until today one of the cheaper lead generating systems, still cheaper than ClickFunnels and all those kind of funnel system building systems. So yeah, Power Lead system has pretty proven that they are a stable lead system program. Okay, so the how do I get started button provides you with a welcome video and some instructions on how to set up the system. You can join their Facebook group here. And here you have two options. You can, one, promote lead lightning, then you will get a pre-generated link, and B, you can promote lead lightning, as they say here, and promote your primary business. And if you use link B, then you can also add your own company link if you have a clickbank offer or something like that. Or do you just want traffic to your business, your blog? Then you can add your link here and update it just like I did here. And then also from time to time you need to log in to check if the link works. So um, Lead Lightning is a very cool system to use in order to promote your business. In these tabs you can have your account information, how it works. Yeah, this is the same page. Promotional tools. Let's go to the promotional tool. Here you have links to some cool resources, some text ads you can use in order to share on maybe your Facebook page, or maybe solo ads. Let's see here. Yeah, email swipes for solo ads. So this is basically done for you. Everything is done for you, and the commission you earn is $6. So basically this system costs only $1, and it's pretty cool for me because I can make $6 over and over again, and I like it. So up until now I've made a decent kind of income with this program. So and the promotional tools gives me a bit more um, resources in order to promote this business. So here you have also your lead manager, and here you can manage your leads. And the system has a limited yeah, it has a limited lead managing system. You will need to upgrade if you want to benefit from more options. But either way, look here, you can resend. What the system does is, over a period of time, it sends swipes to all those leads in order to promote lead lightning, and also in combination uh, with your business. So it's either way a cool system. You have contact tools, and here you can see your contacts, um, cell phone notification, divide group. So here you can manage all your leads. And they also have a training area where you can get some training, you can get help, supports and tickets to support, and here you can upgrade also. So recommended is to upgrade, and in order to benefit from all of the options Lead Lightning and Power Lead system has in store for you. So here I'll show you what the link looks like. This is the referral link, and here is some instructions you can get, and this is my link. You will get a pre-made domain and an ID, and let's try to look how the okay. So yeah, so this is the capture page, and you start promoting this link. So It is a pretty straightforward capturing system. So you can share this and get leads registered into your system and promote it. So it's that simple. It's not difficult. I use it pretty often, so it's not a big deal for me. I just share it with people who have lead generating problems, and it can help you also over time. This is the referral link B. I just promote my link most often with link B. That's this one. Randomly, sometimes you get another layout. So with a video, and as you can see, they updated to the 2019 version. So before that, we had a video explaining the lead magnet and how to apply. This is an updated capture page. Either way it works, so you just try to do that. Okay, I think that's about it. Oh yeah, you can check your link here. Okay, this is a program I'm promoting. So if one of the leads applied for lead lightning, they will also get sent this link to promote my secondary business. So it's pretty cool. Either way, the lead lightning system is a pretty decent lead magnet system. And if you don't want to spend a lot of money on building a capture page, you can use this system in order to make money also. It's $6 a sold commission, and it works. So let me know if you like it. Subscribe to the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, ciao.